In the refuse industry, the most common cause of downtime is the failure of hydraulic cylinders. Unfortunately, they are also the most expensive line item to repair or replace. The two most common hazards that lead to cylinder failure are when the outer surface of the rod acquires dings or burrs that can slash at the seals on their way through, causing oil leaks, and also waste material that is ingested by the cylinder, contaminating the oil, harming valves, pumps, and other components in the hydraulic system. Cylinder manufacturers attempt to solve these issues a couple different ways. First, they try to make the rods as hard as they can, hoping to resist any dings or burrs that will slash the seals as the rod moves through. Secondly, they integrate shavers on the gland nut to remove waste that collects on the rod. Most manufacturers use a layer of chrome to harden the surface of their rods and may even use induction hardening on the base material. These surfaces resist physical damage very well, but while it is difficult to damage the rod surface, it's not impossible. If the chrome layer has been lifted even a little, a good shaver will peel it like a banana. That's why most manufacturers use shavers made from softer alloys. But softer shavers will eventually wear down until they're ineffective at keeping contaminants out of the system. But the Excalibur cylinder, offered exclusively by McNeilus, utilizes a patented M2 tool steel shaver that is only compatible with nitrided steel surfaces. Unlike standard chrome cylinder rods, there is no external layer to chip or peel, which allows the shaver to ride directly against the hardened cylinder surface. And since this is a steel-on-steel system, it will not wear out with normal use. The shaver on this competitor's cylinder is also hardened, but as you can see, it leaves wear tracks on the rod's chrome surface during normal use. Not a good sign. Let's see how it does with spray paint. As you can see, much of the paint is still there, and the scraped away portion is very uneven. At this rate, some of the paint will eventually be scraped away, but much of it will end up inside the system as contaminant. The Excalibur shaver, on the other hand, removes a much higher percentage of paint on the first pass and cleans the rod completely in just a few cycles. How about gooey duct tape? Again, the competitor fails miserably in trying to scrape down to the metal surface. In fact, some of the red paint that has been caught by the wiper has now been pulled past the seals by the remaining layer of goo that the shaver failed to catch, compounding the issue. But the Excalibur shaver pushes all of the tape to the end of the rod in one pass, where it can be easily removed at the end of the day. Nothing gets past the Excalibur's tool steel shaver. It will not only shave off every bit of waste contamination, but it will also shave off any raised burrs or dings that may occur, smoothing the surface before it reaches the seal pack. After all of this, you would think there would be some material inside the shaver, but look, the inside is totally free of contaminants. The shaver is safe to handle with bare hands without fear of cuts, even though it is still sharp enough to shave a plastic pen. Units in the field equipped with the Excalibur cylinder have experienced dramatic improvement in the lifespan of the cylinder. This directly equates to a dramatically cleaner hydraulic system and longer periods of uptime for the packer, which means it stays out there longer, earning more money for its owner. The Excalibur cylinder with the M2 tool steel shaver is available exclusively through McNeilus Street Smart Parts. We believe in using top quality parts in all of our products, and we stand by the unsurpassed performance of Excalibur cylinders. For more information and getting Excalibur in your refuse vehicles, call us at 888-678-7278 or go to streetsmartparts.com.